Well, hello once again. Usually I like to say from bright and sunny Montana, but today is kind of overcast. We're calling for 85 to 90% chance of rain. Clouds are what clouds are, huh? We could get rained out here, who knows. In the background of some previous videos when I've been out here at our place, you've probably noticed I have ties set on both sides of my pole barn. This pole barn is a 20 by 28, not super big, but I'd like to put some wings on both sides so I can put some of my equipment underneath some cover. So I set these ties 2 summers ago. This will be the 3rd summer. I did shoot in the bottom of these walls with a laser level a couple of summers ago. Maybe it was last summer. Anyhow, time slips away. But my goal is to get these framed in a little bit. Now I've got some 2x6 24-inch material here, and I actually bought this from a lumber yard in Laurel probably 5, 6, 7 years ago. See, I did borax 6 years ago. That's probably been 7 or 8 years ago. And I bought them for firewood, 2x6 by 24. They're actually made for stair treads for trailer houses. Anyway, I bought it for firewood. I never did use all of them, so I need a bunch of uprights for my walls. I'm going to come up every 24 inches and have a 2x6 on edge. Well, I need these 2x6 spacers in between, and they all need to be 22.5 inches. So I'm going to take these 24-inch 2x6s and trim them all down to 22.5. If my calculations are right, I need 90 of them, and I think I have well over 100 here. So some of these I'll probably sort through, set aside, see what I can come up with 90 good ones. And then you go back through your second sort, of course, if I run short. So as you know, if you've been following along, I don't have any power out here. So the noise in the background is my generator to run my chop saw. So I'm going to just clean up one end. You remember that song we used to sing as children? 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 98 bottles of beer on the wall. Well, I got to do this 87 more times. Well, I just passed the 50 mark. We got 53 now. 54. 89. There's a 90. I think I'll do a few extra. Probably cull a few as I go together. That'll give me 93. Probably still got 50 of them left. Well, Ryan can't make up his mind. I put tools away and then it quit, so I brought them back out and it started a little bit, so it's not really getting serious. Just kind of spitting. Right now it's not doing much anything. Old hard ties, they don't like nails sometimes. $5.25. It's trying to rain on us again here. Well, this might be it. I don't know. It's really starting to come in. I'll show you out over the valley. The valley's getting socked in a little more and more. I don't know. Maybe I'll try one more rail. Made it farther than I thought I was going to make it. Well, the wind's starting to pick up too, so it just feels like things are going to move in. So I think I'll shut things down and put things away. I won't worry about the third tier up yet. Maybe when we got a little better day. Appreciate you following along. Well, it's ended up being kind of a nice, steady little rain. Not really going to amount to a whole lot, I don't think. Enough to put me out of commission. So I'm just going to sit here and eat some wheat thins. Watch it rain.